Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. Dan from Bernheim, and welcome to another installation of Wow! Wonders of Water! Now the last time we were together, we were talking about how a watershed is like a funnel. But did you know that watersheds aren't just important for moving water? Watersheds are important for you and me. We all live in a watershed, and it's important to make sure that our watersheds stay healthy. Now there's lots of different ways that you can help keep your watershed healthy. Everything from not littering, to not driving your cars through rivers, to not dumping old fuel and gas down storm drains, or not fertilizing your grass too much. There's lots of things that you can do to keep your watershed healthy. In fact, Bernheim protects 16,137 acres to make sure that the water in this area stays healthy. Bernheim protects the headwaters of 13 different creeks and streams, so we know how important it is to have healthy water. But here's a question: how do you know if a watershed is healthy? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. One is to climb up to the top of your watershed, to the divide, and start walking in a circle all the way around the hilltops and the mountains, and then go down a little bit and walk all around there. And this might take you, months or maybe years to walk around your whole watershed. That would take too long. Or you could just check out the water that's coming off of your watershed, because if your lakes, rivers, creeks, and streams that drain from the watershed are healthy, what does that tell you about the watershed that's draining it? Yeah, it's healthy. So, what we're going to do for our next few installments of Wow! Wonders of Water is we are going to be learning about ways to make sure that the water in your creek is healthy, because a healthy creek is a happy creek.